When you're a baker, you need to be very interesting so that people can try out your recipes. So today we'll be getting very creative by baking avocado cake, which is going to turn out soft, fluffy, and delicious. Grab the ingredients listed in the description box and try out this recipe. To make this cake, you need 1 medium ripe avocado, and I have mine over here. So using a sharp knife, you're going to cut the avocado in half. This is how the avocado is looking on the inside, and using a spoon, you're going to scoop out the pulp. Using your knife, you're going to remove the pits of the avocado and repeat by scooping out the avocado. Using a fork, you're going to mash your avocado, and once done, you're going to pick a lemon squeezer and squeeze a teaspoon of lemon juice in the avocado. This is going to stop the avocado from browning. Mix the avocado together with the lemon until fully combined. Then you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Line a baking tin with parchment paper and also spray the tin. So I'm going to place my avocado aside, pick my bowl, and now it's time to make my avocado cake. So I'm going to be adding in the dry ingredients. So I'll start off with my flour, sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and using a spatula, I'm going to stir in the sugar, salt, and flour until fully combined. Then next, you're going to be adding in your wet ingredients. So in a small bowl, I'm going to crack in my eggs. For this recipe, I'm using 2 eggs. Whisk my eggs for around 30 seconds. Transfer into my bowl, add in vanilla essence, which is going to add in a very nice flavor to our avocado cake. A 1/4 cup of cooking oil, that is 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then lastly, I'm going to add in my mashed avocado. Go in with my spatula and combine the wet and dry ingredients. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl, just like this. Then I'm going to add in a tiny pinch of green food color, just to have a very nice green color on my cake. And using my spatula, I'm going to stir in the food color until fully combined, just a pinch. When you add in a little bit of green food color, it goes a long way. So I'm going to stir in and combine until I get that perfect color. Once ready, I'm going to transfer into my bowl. Make sure to scrape everything from my bowl. The butter smells absolutely incredible because we have added in some vanilla essence. So once you're done, you're going to tap the tin on your countertop for around 2 times. This is going to release any air pockets in the butter. You're going to be baking your avocado cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And to check if the cake is ready, you're going to insert a skewer. Once the skewer comes out clean, the cake is ready. My oven is ready, so let's bake. While my cake is baking, I'm going to be making some frosting for my avocado cake, and I'll be using a very simple recipe. I have 1 cup of icing sugar, lemon, and water. So the recipe is that simple. So I'm going to squeeze in a teaspoon of the lemon juice. Then I'll add in a teaspoon of water. Add in a teaspoon of water, and using my spoon, I'm going to stir in the icing sugar, lemon juice, and water until I have a very nice and thick consistency, just like this. This is after 30 minutes and my cake is ready, and it's looking so gorgeous. It has a very nice green color and the crust has a lovely golden brown color. Once the cake is from the oven, you're going to let the cake cool for around 10 minutes in the tin. Then you're going to invert and cool the cake completely. My cake is completely cooled, so I'm going to be adding in my icing, which is going to add in a very nice zesty flavor to the cake, and also it's going to make the cake a little bit sweet because we are adding icing sugar, and also it's going to make the cake so delicious. You're going to keep your cake for around 10 minutes in the fridge so that the icing can set. So see you after 10 minutes. After the icing is set, I'm going to slice into my cake and just look how gorgeous the frosting is looking, and the inside is so pretty. So I'm going to slice a few more pieces. And the inside has a lovely green color. So this avocado cake is totally worth it because yeah, it's delicious. It's packed with lots of nutrients because we've used some avocado, and it's so easy and simple to prepare. Hope you'll be giving the recipe a try.